Mystical poem of Rumi. Did you see what January said? Lay brushwood like a stalk. If December brought not cold, the cold of both be on me. Since the cold has become stubborn, lay brushwood on the fire. Do you spare brushwood? Is brushwood better or the body? Brushwood is the fainting form. God's love is the fire. Burn up the forms, O pure skirted soul. Until you burn up the form, your spirit will be frozen, like idol worshippers, far from springtime and security. In fire like love, be happy like silver. Since you are a child of Abraham, fire is your dwelling. My soul, I am becoming hot, but not from chatter. It is from the golden sun of the faith, from whom the braze is like mine.